You're wondering how people fail exams. You have 5 ways that I've discovered. Let me show you. Number 1, read everything. When was the last time you sat for your exams and everything you were taught throughout the semester came out in your exams? Never, right? So why the hell would you want to spend all your time on irrelevant things? What you should do instead is try to pin the focal points of your lecturers where they made emphasis on. That's where you should be studying. Now, I'm not saying you should not study the other parts, but make use of your time more and become more productive to yourself by just spending more time on what is more important. That's not supposed to be difficult. Number 2, don't follow exam instructions. I mean, why would you write your name if the instruction says you should write your name? Why would you take number 1's question, which is compulsory? Why would you answer it? I mean, you're paying your school fees, right? So you should have the autonomy to choose which questions you want to answer. But that's not how that shit works. It doesn't work that way. Nobody gives about why you should do this and not do that. Just follow instructions. Write your name where you should. Write your reg number where you should. And fill in the details. Also, if you are asked to circle your answers, please circle them. Don't mark X. They're not insane for them to ask you to do this instead of this. Which takes us to the next. Go late for your exams. Yes. Go to a 2-hour exams when it's 20 minutes to rounding up. And show them your prowess. Show them how much of a genius you are. Let them marvel at how you maneuver around 20 minutes to answer a 2-hour exams. Everybody's going to be amazed at your results. And you know what I mean by being amazed? Of course, you might surprise them also. I believe. Number 4, this is crucial. Don't write anything. Believe in miracles. Just believe in miracles. I mean, miracles happen every day. So why am I an exception? Why can't I just write my name and submit a blank script, hoping that I'm going to have miracles happen here? Of course, should I write my name? Yeah. I'm going to write my name and submit it like that. Miracles going to happen. And then when the result comes out, I'm going to tell everybody that, look, I just wrote my name and submitted that shit. Bam. A miracle happened. I got an A. I mean, can't you see how nice that sounds to the ear? But the probabilities of those kind of miracles happening are points. Zeros, a lot of zeros. So why would you take your chances? I'm not saying you shouldn't believe in miracles, but those kind of miracles, bro, you want to risk your life for that? Number 5, which is the final here. Do not take care of your health. Allow yourself to go down with illness. 1 week to the exams, here are some things you should do. Take on as much soda as you can, as much sugary drinks, as much fruit juices. Make sure you accumulate enough sugar, enough to cause diabetes of the highest order. Junk food also. Pack up a lot of donuts, buns, bagels. Have a chunk of them. Let them fill your system. And also, do not take sleep seriously. You can just take 2 hours of sleep in 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. Spend the rest of the day binge watching movies. What better way to have fun? If you follow these 5 steps, I guarantee you success in your failures. Don't do it, man.